You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A biblical word for more names and words from the Bible that can be confusing. Stay tuned to the channel. In English, it's pronounced as Mitheredath. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's actually easy, so let's break it down. Mitheredath. Yeah, Mitheredath, with a stress on that first syllable. Mitheredath. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.